In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure SKU performance in Google Ads. Understanding how each SKU or stock keeping unit performs in your campaigns can be a game changer for optimizing your marketing budget. Using this method, you'll be able to dive deeper into how each product or product line is contributing to your business's success through Google Ads. Let's walk through this process step by step. To get started, you'll want to head over to the Google Ads website. Open your preferred browser and type in Google Ads. Then click on the official link to Google Ads. This is your gateway to smart, efficient advertising with one of the world's most popular platforms. Once you're at the Google Ads homepage, look for the Sign In button. This is usually clearly marked at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Sign In will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Make sure you have these handy and enter them to access your account. After signing in, you'll land on the Google Ads homepage. Here you'll see a vast array of options, but don't worry, because we'll focus you on just what you need. Navigate to the primary menu and click on Campaigns. This section holds all your campaign data, and it's where we'll begin our customization to measure SKU performance. Next, look to the toolbar and find the Columns button. Clicking on this will allow you to adjust which data points and metrics you want to focus on. In this case, things like clicks, impressions, and conversions are integral. But to access the specifics for SKUs, we need to delve a bit deeper. Within the Columns menu, you'll find an option to modify columns. This is a powerful tool that enables you to tailor the data view according to your needs. Click on it and look for the Expand option, or navigate through advanced sections for deeper analytics. As you explore the options, you'll notice an All Columns section. Clicking on this reveals even more data points that can be pivotal in understanding SKU performance. Each column has specific metrics that could provide unique insights into how your SKUs are performing. Now it's time to customize columns specifically for SKU metrics. In this customization area, you can select various SKU specific metrics such as conversions by SKU, clicks per SKU, and cost metrics per SKU. This tailored view gives you a comprehensive look at which of your SKUs are driving performance in your campaigns. Once you've set up your custom columns, you'll start seeing the data roll in filtered by SKU performance. This data is essential for fine-tuning your advertising strategies and ensuring that your ad spend is working as efficiently as possible. By following these steps, you'll gain a clearer understanding of SKU performance within Google Ads, leading to more strategic decisions and optimized advertising efforts. Thanks for tuning in and happy analyzing.